For sustainable and safe poultry production, good biosecurity level at farm is essential. It includes scientifically recommended practices pertaining routine activities of farm, restricted movement, screening of birds, quarantine, basic hygiene and sanitation. Location and design of farm pertaining to biosecurity. Ideally, poultry farms should be situated at a place which is at least 1 to 2 kilometers away from residential locations, other livestock farms, common water bodies like lakes, rivers, etc. The farm should be protected with structural components such as boundary wall and other protective measures like installation of fences or wires. Provision of sufficient ventilation and access to sunlight is essential for optimum health of the birds. Provision of concrete floor in poultry houses is essential element for proper, easy cleaning and effective disinfection procedure. Roads should be made up of concrete material. All the entry points of the shed must be provided with foot dips with disinfectant. Restricted movement. Entry in the farm premises should be prohibited to everyone without permission except workers and veterinary service providers. Footbaths filled with disinfectant or facility for disinfectant spray must be present at entry point of farm. Regular renewal of disinfectant of the footbath must be ensured. While entering, visitors or farm personnel should wear protective clothing and disinfect their hands and feet. Shed-specific footbath or disinfectant spray facility must be present. Vehicle parking should be essentially outside the farm premises. Essential vehicles entering the farm must be cleaned and disinfected, focusing on the wheels or tires. To prevent the invasion of wild or feral birds, farm must be protected with bird-proof net and bird reflectors. Fumigation of shed is recommended to control the insect and flies. Quarantine of new birds and rearing of single age group. Isolation and quarantine of newly brought birds in a different shed is essential to prevent the ingress of infectious agents. The period should be at least of 21 days. Methods of practicing all-in, all-out system is best practice for disease prevention. The birds of same age should be housed in the same shed and should not be mixed with birds of other age groups. Cleaning and disinfection. Regular and proper cleaning and disinfection is a vital component of good hygiene practices. All the equipments used in farm must be cleaned daily. Proper cleaning of shed and farm premises followed by disinfection protects the farm from various pathogens. It should be ensured that all the workers wash hands thoroughly with soap and water before and after entering the farm area. For this purpose, provision of hand washing and footbath facilities must be present at the entrance. Hygienic management of feed and water. Feed storage area should be protected from rodents and feed must be kept covered. Optimum availability of feed and water for the birds must be ensured. Feeder and waterer used in the farm should be cleaned and free from dirt. Health management. Birds must be vaccinated against dreadful diseases. Regular monitoring of health status of birds is an integral part of regular healthcare management. An effective temperature control is recommended inside the shed to protect the birds from heat stress. All the activities of farm must be recorded in specific registers. Disposal of manure. Farm must be equipped with effective manure disposal system. The best way to dispose of manure is by dumping it in a pit. The disposal area should be away from the farm premises. An effective biosecurity not only helps to control the disease occurrence or infection inside the farm premises, but also benefits by reducing treatment cost, increasing production and market value.